Welcome to Review Mobile, your go-to source for the latest mobile tech insights. Today, we're diving into the rebirth of an iconic device, the Nokia 7610 2025 edition. A modern twist on a legendary classic. Let's explore how this redesigned phone stands out in a crowded market. Design: a stylish revival. The Nokia 7610 2025 brings back the iconic curved silhouette that made it famous in the early 2000s. Now reimagined with a sleek metallic finish, Gorilla Glass front and back, and vibrant color options, it strikes a balance between retro flair and futuristic elegance. Its compact, ergonomic form is designed for easy one-handed use, appealing to both nostalgic users and a new generation. Display and performance. This refreshed model features a 6.1-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, delivering crisp visuals and deep contrast. Under the hood, it runs on a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, offering smooth performance for daily tasks and light gaming. Camera system. Nokia elevates the photography game with a 50 megapixels primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and AI enhancements for low-light and portrait shots. The front houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera, neatly tucked into a punch-hole cutout, making it a capable choice for social media content creators. Battery and software. The 7610 2025 includes a 4500 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support, ensuring all-day use with minimal downtime. Running on a clean version of Android 14, the phone guarantees 2 years of software updates and a bloat-free experience, staying true to Nokia's commitment to simplicity and reliability. Final thoughts. The Nokia 7610 2025 is more than just a nostalgia-driven release. It's a well-rounded mid-range smartphone that blends retro aesthetics with modern functionality. For those seeking something unique without compromising performance, this might be the comeback story worth watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into Review Mobile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mobile tech reviews and news. See you in the next one. Would you like a version of this script with a voiceover tone for narration?